Hello students, today we are going to learn about lesson number 6, Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashok. As it was Sunday, all the children of the society gathered in the ground to play cricket. Bhavya and Jalp form a team. Coin was tossed to decide bowling and batting. Jalp said heads. The coin fell on the ground. It was head. So Jalp asked for batting. Hitans asked, where do we find lion figure on the coin? Bhavya explained to him, the lion figure on the coin is head. The lion figure has been engraved on the huge pillar of Sarnath. The pillar was built by Emperor Ashok of Mauryan dynasty. India has recognized it as a national symbol. Mauryan dynasty founder and ruler Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta played the games of kings in his childhood. His skill was noticed by Acharya Vishnugupta and he was trained to him in Shastra and Shastra. The Shastra means weapons and the Shastra means in knowledge. Chandragupta Maurya, with the help and the guidance of Chanakya, defeated last emperor of Nanda dynasty, Dhananand, in 321 BC and took the throne of Magadha and founded the Mauryan Vansh. Chandragupta got full benefit of Chanakya's skill and politics and administration from Arthashastra written by Chanakya. We get information about political, economical and social life of people of the time. Chanakya's diplomatic guidance play a very important role in Chandragupta administrations of Magadha Empire. Chandragupta conquered four territories: Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, and the Baluchistans. After defeating great Greek king Nicator, being impressed by Chandragupta's bravery, Seleucus married his daughter Helena with Chandragupta and sent his ambassadors Megasthenes to his court. During his stay in Patliputra, Megasthenes wrote a book Indica, which provides important and the basic informations about the capitals and the administrations of Mughal Empire. Extension of state. Chandragupta tried to establish a sovereign power over whole of India by spreading his authority with the valors and the diplomacies of Chanakya in other regions of India. He ruled the north from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Kandahar to Bengal in the east. He extends his power even in western India also. It is stated in some of the source that he had his ruled even Saurashtra also. He had appointed Pushpagupta, a Vaishya, Amatyas as its governor. Pushyagupta constructed Sudarshan's lake by constructing dams on the rivers flowing from the Girnar mountains in Girnars in Saurashtra. Konkan, Karnataka, Maharashtra and other regions of southern India were also part of Magad Empire in the north west of the territories up to the western Gandhar, that is Afghanistan, were also under the authority of Chandragupta. Thus, the sovereignty of Mauryan Empire was practiced all over India.